Hi folks, I'm Joe Doty. Today we're going to talk about bed protection. Your brand new vehicle, you want to protect the bed of your truck. And one of the best ways to do that is a bed liner. We have a drop-in bed liner. Drop-in bed liner is a cost-effective way to give you maximum protection against damaging items going into the bed of the truck. You got bricks, you got everything getting thrown into the bed of the truck. This is a good option in that it is a polyplastic. It's a hard, rigid product. It's going to give you good protection. It's going to give you a lifetime of rigidity. The disadvantage is it's going to chafe the paint a little bit underneath. The other disadvantage is parts that are in there are going to slide around unless they are tied down at some point. And so here's our other option. It's a spray-in bed liner. Spray-in bed liner is a permanent application to protect your bed. What it's going to do is it's going to give you an even coating all the way around, about 1/8 of an inch thick. It's a polyurea product, so it's impenetrable. It is also, if it's damaged, it is repairable. Comes with a lifetime warranty, okay? It's going to protect the bed against nicks, dings, scratches, scrapes, and it's going to give you a watertight bond that's not going to allow rust to develop. Stuff in the back of the bed will not slide around with this product because it's got a rubbery feel to it rather than a hard plastic feel like the drop-in bed liners. It's a little bit more expensive, but it's more of a permanent protection that you will have for the rest of the life of the truck. And if those aren't your style, folks, we have the bed rug. Bed rug is a polyspun plastic bonded to closed cell foam. What this does is it offers a carpet feel without getting the problems with carpet, smell, mold, mildew, because it does not absorb water. All it does is it repels water and it dries out immediately. It's very durable. It fits exactly to the configuration of the bed of the truck. It's also very durable. You can take your knife and you can cut it and it will not bleed. Bed rug is an awesome product. We sell a lot of them to people with tonneau covers. If you don't have a tonneau cover, however, it's not a problem. You can load sand, you can load mulch, you can load anything you want to in this, and it will not deteriorate. It's UV stable, so it's not going to fade out in the sun, and it's going to be looking newer, longer, and a better application. It's a very nice product. Give that a try. Truck and Car Concepts, 656-8800.